Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Wait, turn this bright. Hi guys, welcome to my new videos called Don't Press the Button, but it's a cool game, you know. You know, it's my favorite game a lot, but I still love to play. Nothing happened. Wait a minute. What just happened? So, this game is kind of too popular to me, but it's the first time. But I'm going to create part 1 and part 2 and any parts. Where's the part? What happened? The game was broken. Alright, let me just... That didn't make sense. Ah! Let's try this game again. Alright. This is the previous one I like to play. So, how can we get in there? How can we get in? So, what the? I don't know. How can we get in? How can we get in? What the? How can I? Oh my god, this girl's kind of... Wow, this game is quite a fun. Wow, I move. Wow, that's awesome. You got a nice pants. That's cool. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Let's go do it. Oh no, I died. I think I'm winning. I think I'm not better.
I died. I'm bad at this.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm jumping very...
Oh my god. I just died a lot of time.
Me too.
I know.
It's super hard. Oh, it's gone. I'm so proud. My button.
Alright, it's done for the quick video today. Bye-bye, guys.